Hi friends, this video shows how to use this Samsung 256GB Ultra HD EVO Plus memory card in this Philips Wi-Fi security camera, indoor camera. So this is the Ultra HD memory card. First we need to find memory card slot. We have to rotate upper part of the camera like this. And now here we can see memory card slot and reset button. So here we have to insert this memory card. So we have to insert memory card like this. So here we can see one symbol how to insert. So let me insert this memory card here, then push. Okay, done. Next I am going to check whether this camera has detected that memory card. Open Philips Home Safety app. Then you can see indoor camera here. This camera I already added. Then tap on view live. Then tap on these three dots on top right corner. Go to device settings. Select storage settings. So here you can see 0.04 GB of 238 GB used. That means this camera has detected that 256 GB memory card which I inserted. So this way we can insert 256 GB Samsung Ultra HD memory card into this camera. So next I am going to show you how to enable video recording and record and store videos into this memory card. Go to home screen, then select modes. So we can select one of this mode. Let me select away mode, then select edit. So if we want continuous recording, we can enable this option, continuous recording. Then go down. So if you want video recording only when there is a movement, then select this movement detection, then enable video record here. Right now it's enabled. And if you want notification, we can enable the notification. Similarly, we can enable video recording for person detection. We can enable that here. Right now it's disabled. And similarly for sound detection also we can enable video recording. So that option we can control here. Okay. So this way we can insert that 256 GB memory card and record videos. So if you want to see recorded videos, we can go to events. So here we can see all recorded videos. Then let me select the latest video. So movement detected. See. So this way we can play that video recorded on the memory card. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.